Good morning guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Ruth Kashiri. Please excuse me, I have a terrible cold, but today we're going to be going to the shamba. I'm already done and let's go. Guess what came in the mail? We had a little stopover just to get some snacks, and at this point we were like 20 minutes away from arriving. So guys, I didn't really mention what we're actually doing today. Today is avocado harvesting season and we just arrived and they already started. This is us going to meet the team and this is my dad, by the way. So yeah, they were actually in that first tree. So this is the biogas tank and the magic happens on that side. Yeah. So there were guys on the trees and they were harvesting the avocados. They were falling on the ground. They had to harvest every single one of them. You can see little reflections. Yeah. Ni mingi. Here, the avocados are in plenty. So guys, we're moving on to the next tree. We're moving on to the next tree. Dad, tutasalimia watu.
Yeah?
Tutasalimiana. Nilikuwa na slide nashangaa kwa nini inaanguka.
Fuata tu hiyo. Tukienda haraka.
Hi guys, I didn't really do a proper introduction. So today we're actually in the shamba. We have it's avocado season and wanazichuna for export, and you know. So I didn't do my makeup just because it's gonna be a long day and the sun, sweat, kufanya kazi, so I didn't really want to put on makeup. But yeah, so guys, right now I've gone back to the house to go get some slashers just because, well, they are going to like get the avocados. There's too much weed, so they have to like cut it off. So that's what I've gone to go and get. I'm already tired. It's even been 30 minutes. But anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you're enjoying so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, and also share. And also follow me on my other social media pages. Yeah. So they're removing the weeds down there so that when they're harvesting the avocados, it's easier to see them because they'll just fall on the ground. So yeah, it's been a while since I did such work. Hadi nishachoka. I'm telling you guys, nimehave kutoka kwa shamba. Juu nimeanza kuliwa na hizo siafu. Thuraku, for most of you wenye mnajua thuraku. Nimeumwa hapa hivi nikasema wacha nini hii side nyingine cause it's painful. Pia niangalie kama zimenipandilia ama sijui. I wanted to try harvest the avocados using the hook they were using, and I'm telling you, it's not as easy as it looks. They were doing it so fast, so I thought it was very easy. Turns out it's harder than it looks, but with a little bit of practice, I think I can manage.